But the problem of today, when you start any project, you know you'll run into some surprises. But if I buy brand new, but okay, probably old stock lamps, you would think that you could simply put them in. But no, all 4 of them have issues with the fittings, like here, that it's simply not deep enough, the groove where the lamp pin should go in. Others are simply that the total hole is too small, you won't fit anyway. There's only one that will try to go in, and that's the front light. But even there you can see, let's get some light on here, that the groove, yeah, there is a groove, but it's almost closed on the top, so you have to wiggle it in on one side in order to get over it. So that will be a complete taking apart of the lamps, which I just fitted yesterday and tightened all the screws, but I have to take them apart and start filing in the aluminium of the fitting, simply to get my lamps in. That was not expected.